Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter in your Toyota RAV4, so check it out. Hey everyone, it's Ken from Northern Viking Everyday, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. So today I'm going to be showing you how to change the cabin air filter in your Toyota RAV4. Now this is the new 2019 Toyota Rav4 LE, and the process should be exactly the same or very similar in upcoming years, the 2020, 21, 22, 23. And if you do get one of those years down the road, make sure to write a comment in the comment section down below if the process is exactly the same for you. So changing the cabin air filter is really easy to do, and it's going to save you a whole bunch of money over taking your vehicle into the dealership. I actually have some Amazon links below in the description if you do want to pick up a filter for yourself. But let's get right into this and show you how easy it is. So the cabin air filter is actually behind the glove box on the passenger side, so head around there and go ahead and open up the glove box. From there, you're going to want to pull in on the sides of the glove box towards the back, and this is going to release the clips that are holding the back of the glove box in place. Here's a better look at what the back support clips look like. Now what you're looking for is the support bar, which is a little bit further down on the door side of the glove box. What you're going to do is pinch the center of the clip together and pop it through the hole on the support bar. This is going to release the whole glove box to be lowered down even further. Now take a peek up behind the glove box and you're going to see this cover, and what we're looking for is a clip on the right hand side that you pinch together and it releases the cover to come right off. Take note that there's a direction pointing up on this cover. From there you can pull out the whole housing that holds the cabin air filter. It just slides right out. And again, this housing has an arrow pointing up. Now this is what the housing looks like that holds the cabin air filter. The air filter has to actually pop out of there. Pops out really easy, you just pull it in on the sides and it comes right out. So I'm really surprised at how much pollen and dirt there is in this cabin filter already. This RAV4 only has about 750 miles or 1200 kilometers on it. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to put this cabin air filter right back in, but I'm going to think about changing it much sooner than the typical 15,000 miles. Go ahead and put the filter back in its plastic housing. Make sure that the up direction on the filter matches the up direction on the housing. Slide that in there and make sure the edges are tucked neatly under the clips. Now it's time to put the filter back in. Make sure it's in the up direction and slide it all the way to the back. Go ahead and grab the cover and make sure it is in the up position, and the teeth on the left hand side actually have to slide through little holes before you can clip the right hand side in. From there, go ahead and lift up the glove box and put the support bar back onto its clip. It should pop right back on. Now go ahead and close the glove box, and those two remaining side clips should just pop back into their holes. And it's that simple to change the cabin air filter in your RAV4. Don't forget, I've got those links down below in the description if you want to check them out. And also, if this video did help you out in changing the cabin air filter in your Toyota RAV4, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Everyday because I've got tons of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thanks for watching and take care.